Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to install Roblox Studio. So first, after opening the browser, you have to type Roblox in the search panel. Now go to the Roblox website. After opening up Roblox, we have to make sure that we're logged into our account. Then we have to click on Create. After the Create window loads, we'll have to click on Get Started in Studio. After that, the browser will ask us permission to open Roblox. Make sure to tick it. And now the Roblox Studio will start downloading. After downloading, it will ask to authorize your Roblox ID with Roblox Studios. Just click on continue. And then the Roblox Studios will open up. And that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.